Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. Today on my channel, as you guys probably would notice from my title, I'm doing another AdoreMe unboxing. But this is not just any old AdoreMe unboxing. This is the AdoreMe Elite Squad Elite subscription unboxing. So if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about AdoreMe and the Elite subscription, and you are someone that loves to try out new lingerie, loungewear, activewear, you name it, make sure you keep on watching. So as I mentioned in the introduction, you guys, I'm going to be going over the AdoreMe Elite subscription and also doing an unboxing and sharing some pictures of some of the items I've already tried out, and my daughter, because we both usually get products. And if you guys are interested in the products I use on this makeup look, I'm going to have those down in the description below along with links if you're interested in checking them out. There are affiliate links, so just so you're aware, which means I do make a small commission, but the makeup I'm using, I've had it on since 9 a.m. and it's still all intact. The only thing I had to do was apply a little bit of eyeshadow because I didn't wear eyeshadow this morning. I'm so pumped, you guys. I love AdoreMe. If you guys check out my Instagram, I show AdoreMe love all day, every day. I literally, anything you could think of that we probably do remotely, I'm doing it in my AdoreMe. And not only myself, even my daughter, which I'm going to be showing you guys some pictures of her and some of her outfits that came in her box. In our box. So just a little bit of information before we begin the unboxing, you guys. AdoreMe is a monthly subscription, but it's not like a normal, let's say, beauty subscription, in the sense that you're going to get 3 to 5 style products, whether it's lingerie, activewear, loungewear, panties. They have clothing items, you know, things of that sort that is offered through the AdoreMe umbrella. Every month they get delivered to your home, where you're given 7 days to try them out in the comfort of your home. Isn't that amazing? You don't have to go running and shopping for like particular items, especially as the seasons change, and let's say you want to spruce up the items that you currently own. You don't have to worry about running out to your stores and trying things out, especially out in public. You know, it's still kind of awkward to do that. And personally, I don't like trying things out in public altogether. Like, I don't know, I've never ever liked doing that. I've always waited till I got home, actually. After you try out the products, you can keep what you like and return what you don't want, and they will automatically have like a return shipping label inside your box. You literally put everything back in your box, your bag, whichever, you know, thing that they ship your stuff in, and send it back to AdoreMe, and they will do the return with no hassle. And as you guys, the items that are shipped in your box typically range between $39.95 to about $59.95. That's usually an ongoing average. And another really cool thing about this whole subscription, there's no subscription fee. Yeah, there's no subscription fee, you guys. For the Elite program through AdoreMe, you actually only get charged a $20 styling fee every month. For that $20 styling fee, you literally do get your own stylist. You do a very detailed quiz that goes over colors, preferences. Like, they ask you a lot of very detailed questions along with color options. Do you like more lingerie? Do you like more loungewear? You know, things of that sort. So they try to make it as catered as possible for you and what you want. And with every single box you get, and let's say you're returning items or keeping items, it actually helps them too, so that they can even make it better as the months go on, or especially as new colors and styles come in, they'll be able to tell what you will prefer. Don't think you guys are wasting $20 actually, because as long as you keep one piece from your shipment, you are given the $20 as a credit. So let's say you get that $39.95 item, you're actually getting a $20 off that total, so you only pay the remaining balance. That's awesome, right? That's awesome. AdoreMe is also very inclusive, in my opinion. For the bandwidth, they go from 30 to 46. And then for the cup size, they go from an A all the way up to a G. Those are some hard cups to find. And lastly, for like bottoms, lounge wears and stuff like that, or sports bras, because I just ordered some sports bras. Yes, for bottoms, extra small to 4X, you guys. Again, that's a very nice, well-rounded sizing options. When I was younger, I was 300. Yes, you guys, you heard that right. I used to be 325 pounds, a size 22 or 24, something like that. At this point, it's been so many years, I forgot, because I've lost weight throughout the duration of the last 15 years. So in the last half of my life, I've lost quite a bit. I've lost nearly half my weight. But when I was younger, it used to be so hard for me to find cute, comfortable bras, but it was hard for me to find a lot of things. It was always very unattractive, ugly stuff, very frumpy stuff. But let's put it this way, she loves the stuff so much. She volunteered to take content with me on my Instagram. She's gotten so many great compliments at school. It makes me feel so happy for her and for me, again, because she's not struggling like I did at her age. But anyways, you guys, I think at this point I've talked way too much. So let's start the unboxing of this month's AdoreMe Elite package. And let's go. So of course I cut the slit and my daughter took already some pieces, so voila. So as always, the AdoreMe packaging inside always says, whatever you want to do in our lingerie, we support you. And yes, they love supporting it and they're here for it. Okay, you guys? A little sneak peek at some of the goodies. So this is one of the first pieces. I'm so glad I got this because I previously picked it up in a different shade. I really like how cute the detailing is, and it's such a great fall color that can go into winter. And the other great part is all the AdoreMe lingerie always comes with its matching panty. Look at this adorable details on the panty. Super cute, matches the bra. They have amazing quality, and they had another color that I love. I picked it up in 2 shades. This is more of an orangey tone, which is adorable. Look at how cute. Same cut, just a different color, and this is so pretty. Like, I love this kind of like rust orange tone. It's so pretty. So I just want to show you a variety of products that AdoreMe does offer, so like you could see a good range for yourself. Kind of like a muted purple right here, and this one has the double snap. It has a very light liner inside, which again, this is usually my preferred style. I like the very light lining or no lining actually. But again, and look at this beautiful detailing, you guys. All the time, I like muted colors like this for lingerie because they blend very well. And again, instead of just getting regular nude or beige, but look at this cute little panty. It's so nice. Beautiful detailing. Under here, of course, is covered, but it's double lined and it has a nice little cotton inside. The little AdoreMe symbol. You turn it around. It's very cute. So this is a style I love, you guys. Anytime there's a new color available, I always love picking these. This is like a soft mint green. Look at that. Super cute. This is an unlined, and it just has a really nice cupping. If you guys could see that. Oh, it's too low. But it has a very nice cupping right here. And these are very comfortable, and I like how the back is done. It has like a double layer, so you feel secure. It's matching chonchons. This one's so cute. It has this cute little detailing towards the bottom, and of course it's doubled in the middle, and then it's like a soft mesh in the back. So this is from the Earth Republic section. This is, I would personally say, geared for a little bit younger demographic, but they do have, you know, activewear, lingerie, and things of that sort. And my daughter likes some pieces there, so I let her pick. Again, very, very beautiful detailing and everything. Great straps as well. So I'm sure she's excited to give this one a go here very soon. I saw this and I had to get it. This is on top. I was almost going to put it on for you guys at the intro, but this is like a little nightgown. So this looks like a very simple nightgown. It has a very nice material. I love using their loungewear. It's always so comfortable. And on the back, it's just nice and solid. And I like how the front has the little kind of lacing, but it's still lined in. And when you go inside, it's kind of like a built-in bra, you guys. So you don't have to feel like uncomfortable like when you're sleeping at night. So I appreciate that very, very much. So I love this. I can't wait to use it for bed. These are some of the joggers. These are so pretty. They're very, very cool, very comfortable. And I'm so glad I picked these up in black because I previously picked them up in a soft gray tone. And again, they have nice little pockets right here, and they just have really nice stitching. And then they have like this little nice lining on the side, and then they have the tapered ankles. So I always like a soft taper, not like a hard tapered. Oh, I love these. I seriously picked them up in every single color available, you guys. So, and I also picked them up in the biker shorts. So these right here are the Bailey set, and they're available again in bikers and the 3/4. And these have the little side pockets here, so it's great if you're out for a walk, jog, whatever, so you can put your phone. And the ankles are very, very stretchy. And again, look at all that very nice, beautiful detailing, very flattering to the body. And I'm going to be posting some pictures or inserting pictures of. And then the waist, it's so nice and comfortable and always very flattering in the tummy area. So again, love them, picked them up in every color, and some I got doubles because I got them in different orders. And then my last pair of pants is these guys right here. So I wanted something different than the black and the gray and the burgundy. So I actually picked these from the Earth Republic series. Again, the more youthful side, but I really thought the color was beautiful. I also picked up a sweater, which is going to be in my picture with the shorts. And it has like a calf, you know, design, so it's not like full length, and it still has nice pockets. And again, the material's always amazing. And then you have your adjustment right here. Not very loose, I'm sorry. These are a little bit more on the looser side. They're not meant to be so form-fitting, but so far the few products I've tried from the Earth Republic series, along with my daughter, we're obsessed with them, and we're definitely going to be ordering some more from that series as well. Alright, you guys, so those are all the pieces that I received this month in my AdoreMe PR. Let me know what you guys think of the items I shared with you guys today. Were any of the pieces something that you guys are interested? Colors, styles, you name it. Let me know. I want to hear all the details. And again, thank you so very much to AdoreMe for giving me such an amazing gift this month. I Absolutely, you guys, in all honesty, I truly love the Adore Me product line offering. My daughter loves the line. We are always so happy to receive our Adore Me packages. It's literally Christmas every single month for us because we just love their stuff. And we know when we open our app every month, there's gonna be some great features in there. And just so you guys are aware, Adore Me was gracious enough to also give me a discount link for you guys. So if you're interested in either signing up for the Adore Me Elite subscription, again, there's only a $20 styling fee, which gets deducted off your purchase. But let's say you just want to buy an outfit, lingerie, whichever item you pretty much want, you guys can use my discount link down below where you'll get it for $24, which is an additional discounted price. So that's awesome in my opinion, because that actually saves you more than double, if not triple, almost, you know, whatever the set that you might be purchasing. So make sure you guys take advantage. Great way to try out Adore Me's product if you guys haven't done so. And right now they have the most adorable freaking Halloween themed items, or like, you know, very vampy and stuff. So highly check it out. And yeah, so again, thank you all so much for your time. I greatly do appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys made it this far and you guys would love to watch me a little bit more, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. This way YouTube hopefully will notify you the moment I do any uploads. And I do have my Instagram down below if you guys would like to follow me there. I post a lot more regularly on Instagram, so you guys can keep up to date and whatnot. So I would love you guys could follow me there as well. And lastly, if you guys could give my video a big old thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it, as it also does help me out tremendously on YouTube. Thank you all so very much. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is for you that you're watching at this time. Goodbye.